What is video marketing? Video marketing is the act of using web video to promote your business. These videos can be daily vlogs, web commercials, or any other type of video you put on the internet that promotes your business. Why is video marketing a great tool for business owners? 100 million internet users are watching web video every single day. 46% of these viewers take an action described in the video after viewing it. People enjoy watching videos. They are fun and easy to consume. With people spending so much time on the internet these days, it is essential to use advertising that they will see. Web video is a great way to direct more traffic to your website and create more customers for your business. Having a web video can also increase your SEO rankings, which in turn brings more people to your business's website. Creating web videos that are professional and make your business look good can be a daunting task, not to mention time-consuming, and we know how little free time small business owners have. Hiring a professional to create a web video advertisement for your business is one of the greatest advertisement investments you can make. Not only is it less time-consuming for you, but it is a way to ensure that you are going about video marketing in the best way for your company. We offer professional video marketing services, and we will work with you to create an effective and dynamic video marketing campaign. Contact us today for more information.